Welcome back to the world of cubes. Today, I'm going to be solving this 5x5 end tutorial. So we'll scramble it up. Scramble, 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 you scramble, 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 scramble. Scramble, 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 scramble. Okay, so now we're gonna solve the 5x5. So now we're gonna make the center bar. Make the center bar. After then, you just make an edge center bar or whatever you want to call it. Then put it down. Make it a corner. After then, get an edge. Put it in. And it's kind of the same as the 4x4. Even when the numbers are odd, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you still have to make the actual. You still have to make the actual center. So you make the center. Yeah, it's kind of like the 4x4. You have to make the center. After that, you have to make the edge bars. Yeah, it's kind of same for the yellow side too. On the 4x4, you just make the center bar, or after you like put the white bar, the white center back, and like whatever, and like. After then you put the edge bar. Okay. Why not do it here? No, keep it like that. Okay. Now I just make this and you have to do like the same thing when like this position. You have to do up, you two down. Yep. So now I don't care. I'm gonna make the edge center bar, whatever. Like the edge center bar, I'm gonna make that first. After that, I'm gonna make this. Make the bar. After then, you're gonna. After then, you're gonna do another one. Boom, bang, bing, bada, ow. Okay, how about we do this? After then you do that. It's like relatively easy, and when you're like in this position. You go to the very you put the very middle. After then you do it back. After then you just and like over here is like you just basically do the same. Oh, there's no center bar. Dang it. Then like okay, so if you're in this position, I was gonna say something else. I was gonna say like something else. I was like if you're in this position, you do bang, not that, bang, bop, bing, pow, and even if you're like in this position, you can just bang, bing, pow, bing, bop, bing, like yeah. Yeah, and even this part is the same as the 4x4. You have to make it's kind of like just kind of like the reduction method on the 4x4. You have to make the edges pieces, the edge pieces. So then and kind of the same in that position. If you're in this position, like this one's like opposite, this one opposite, and this like the same. You just do this, bump, bing. Make sure you put that down. No, bank, pow, bob, bing, claw, and after then that whole bar is solved. Kind of the same for this one. And kind of the same if it's like kind of like this. Well, not really, but you just get the center at middle edge piece, whatever you want to call it. I'm like, yeah. No, it's fine. It's fine. Nah, I do that. Okay. After then, you just do boom. So flip it out with a piece that's not, like actually solved. Then you do this. Hey, and good thing I swapped it out with a piece that's already like this, so I could do that. So I tried doing like that more, and instead of doing like completely scrambled, like kind of this. But it's fine if you can do that. And also plus some of the times the stuff don't really like work. It's only just gonna do it with like a random piece that don't actually need to be there. So it's basically like what 1 in 3. Wait, like 1 in 6. 1 in 12. 1 in 12 factorial. I don't know what the answer is to that, and I don't know what that means. But I guess it's a lot. I don't know if it's a lot or little, but it's fine. Okay, get the blue and the blue. One pink. Pink, pink. When your stuff is like this, don't put stuff that's like red blue over here. Just do a completely unsolved piece or whatever. I'm keep saying or whatever stuff, yeah. And in this position, you just do the same that I showed you. Bang, boom, bada, boom, bop, pow. then you just get the center. Shabink, shabank, shapow, pow, pow, ka. That was just made up. You gotta flip it. Can I do this upside down? Oh, ink. Oh, I did it upside down. I probably messed up some. That is fine. And also, when you like almost solve the edge pieces, you just like put them in where it's supposed to be. You know where to put them in because you watched my 3x3 video, and if you hadn't go watch that, so you know how to solve the 3x3. The green is not solved. You can do the F2L too if the cross piece is not solved. Nope, wrong. Shabink. No, I'm gonna do the sledgehammer. I think I already covered that move in the 3x3 video, but when the piece is like this, you do this. I don't know if I already covered that in the video, but well, I'm just explaining it to you again. And you kind of still need to mess up the cross pieces just to like, you know, like fix the actual edge pieces. Yeah, and if you're wondering, the 5x5 only has one parity. Only has one parity, so that's good, I guess. And the 4x4 have like what, 2 parities? 2 parities, and also like if you're in this position where the last two is like this, and like these two like flipped and stuff, you just have to flip this piece. It's like if you're facing after then you now see now we have to do it on the right side, so whatever. Boom, bang, bing, da boom, bop, pow, and then all of this solve it. After that, you can solve it like a 3x3. But well, let me show you and that's not the parity. There's no parity after this, but why am I keep stuttering? But if you're in that position, there's no parity for you, since there's no parity following after that. So let me just skip to where you have that parity. So we just skip to that part. Okay. So now I'm back to where you have the parody, and it kind of like this is and if you don't try to do this and like put this up so you have this and then boom bang bang bop pow. That's not gonna work. Absolutely not. You just have to do this algorithm that I'm about to show you. And it's kind of the same at the 4x4 algorithm, but which is larger and slightly different moves. Okay, so you start with this. Bonk. Like this. U2. Put the Rubik's Cube down. Roll the Rubik's Cube. Bonk, bonk, bam, bam. Bonk, bonk, bam, bam. Bonk, bonk, bonk. Bam, bam, bonk, bonk, bam, bam, bonk, bonk, bam, bam. After that, you put these two up, down, and down. You should have something like this, kind of the thing that the other thing that I showed you. You just have to do boom, bing, bing, bop, bing, bop, bing, bop. How? Oh yeah, and let me show you how this works. When you do that, like I can show you, it's solved all of these. Why don't just this gets messed up? Get messed up because he have no more spaces left, so I have to be solved. But wait, it's not done yet. If your piece is kind of like if like this, like this one's opposite, you have to do the algorithm. Do you know like the parity algorithm that I showed you? You just have to do that algorithm up 2 times. Well, you do the Y, which is basically turning the cube. After that, you do that twice. So then you put it down 3 times. Okay, down and down, up, down, down. And now you have this piece solved. Now you have this piece solved. Also, so you can solve it like a regular 3x3. Yep. Yeah, and now you just solve it like a regular 3x3. But you know how to solve it because because you did watch my 3x3 video, right? Right? You did that, right? Right? You did it? Nice. So here's the 3x3 video over here. Why did I do that for that long? So So let me just I'm gonna let you just see it. Yeah, when I'm finished solving it, and I forgot to do the green, and I forgot to do the cross piece again. Come on, and we're gonna do another video, probably solving like a killer minx. So stay tuned for that. No. I'm gonna do this dink. Never mind. No, I'm just gonna do the sledgehammer. Bink, bonk, bink, bop. After then, we can completely solve it. So now I'm gonna stop talking, and we're gonna solve this. So zip, and now you're gonna watch me solve it. So now we finished the 5x5 Rubik's Cube. So stay tuned for the next video I'm gonna make of the killer minx. Don't forget to watch all of my other videos. So peace out, and don't forget to watch all my other videos. Bye.